1. Power on, off. Press and hold the power button for 3 seconds to turn the device on or off. 2. Celsius, Fahrenheit toggle. Simultaneously press and hold the plus and minus keys for 3 seconds to switch between Celsius and Fahrenheit. 3. Temperature adjustment. Press the minus key to decrease the temperature and the plus key to increase it. 4. Temperature lock. Press and hold both the plus and minus keys for 3 seconds to lock the current temperature setting. Press and hold again for 3 seconds to unlock. 4. Independent light control. The light button operates separately, even when the device is off. 5. Wide-angle door. Opens past 90 for easy loading.